Hello everyone, this is Amir Asmati. Today I want to speak about the double chin because for the modeling career, one of the biggest benefit is having the good jawline, sharp jawline. And one way to bring out your jawline is remove your double chin. In this video, I'll talk about the three main reasons for the double chin, and I give the solution for each one. Before jumping to the topic, I should say I'm not a doctor, and you should always follow the doctor description, and you should consult with your doctor. I just give the information for entertainment, and it's just my personal experience during these years I did the modeling. So listen and consult with the doctor and don't break the law. There are three main reasons for the double chin. The first one and the most important one is obesity. The obese people will store the extra fat under the here, above the neck, under the chin. So it causes the bad look and double chin, obviously. So if you lose the weight and you drop the extra fat, obviously the fat under your chin will disappear. But there is other solution. In old days, usually doctor suggests do the surgery or liposuction. Nowadays, doctor injects something called deoxycholic acid. This acid is a natural enzyme which you can find in your body. It produced in your own gallbladder. It's safe. It's absolutely non-invasive. This enzyme will destroy the fat cell. So when you destroy the fat cell, obviously you will lose that double chin. And sometimes it's a long-term procedure, depend on the client, depend on the patient. Second reason is aging. As we grow, our skin will lose the more collagen and it became very weak. So the doctor will suggest microfocus ultrasound for treating this aging problem. By ultrasound, ultrasound causes the creating more collagen in the skin. More collagen give you more thickness in your skin and fully lift it up. It's again non-invasive, it's safe, but it's long procedure, depend on the patient. And if you follow the good diet, if you consume good amount of the mineral, vitamin and protein, so it won't come back. So you have the very good skin and you keep it. Third one is bad posture. In the day, in the night, all of us has a bad posture. Like we hold the phone down. See? No one do these things. Always you wanna check TikTok, no one is in the straight to do it. Always hanging, like this kind of thing is effective on the creating the double chin. For treating the double chin with the bad posture, there is a lot of exercise, a lot of massage like face yoga, some exercise like mirroring, which Dr. might create that. I will, in this particular thing like mirroring, I will make another video and explain in the detail because it helps for the jawline also and other things. But the best way is chewing a gum. If you used to chewing the gum, it helps by chewing. It helps the muscle of your face, your jawline, your neck. It activates those muscles. Or another practice is a sky kiss. Like send the kiss to the sky, hold the 5 minutes this position, then rest. 5 seconds, then rest. It helps to improve the muscle of the neck. There is one muscle here. See? This is muscle attached to skin. For those people wants to do it or hide the double chin in the short time. For example, you have one celebration, wedding, or you are a model, you want to do photo shoot. It's better to bring your jawline and remove your double chin as much as possible. There is 3 tricks for those people. The first one, you have to reduce your sodium. The salt, sodium, and spice give you that puffy look. They cause the water retention in your whole body as well as your face. By removing the salt for a few days, for example 1 or 2 days, the extra water under your skin will flush out. One. Second tips is drinking a lot of water. Water is detoxing your body. Water will detox your body and flush all of those extra mineral under your skin and under your everywhere. And by drinking a lot of water, you will flush it faster. So you become a little bit shredded and your look gonna be very better. I remember in one of my shoots, I have the picture, I posted somewhere here. I flushed my extra water under my skin, so you can see that my look is becoming very tough, very shred. My jawline, my cheekbone came out, and it's just because of I have the same body fat percentage, but I flushed the extra water for that shoot. And the third one is makeup. For boys, you can put a little bit more beard here and trim it a little bit here. So this contrast help you look, it's kind of shadowing. Or for the girl, they know how to do makeup. They can put the makeup a little bit dark makeup here, lighter here. So it make a little bit illusion for the when you look someone with this kind of makeup. It's kind of trick. Obviously for the male model they use makeup for the shoot, especially here, ear, nose, cheekbone, not for beard because we have beard. So this tips is good for those who wants to do the photo shoot. I will give a lot of tips about the modeling and photo shoot, even about the nutrition. Oh, don't forget that removing salt, sodium, or cutting salt or sodium, it doesn't help for burning more fat. It's just flushing out the extra water. So I'll make another video and tips about the diet, nutrition. Feel free to left comment for me, or you can follow my Instagram page and ask whatever you want, any question. I will read all of my direct message and I'll answer one by one. Also, you can put the comment below here and we'll read and reply for you. If you request any special video or any question, you can left a comment. I will make a video for that. And don't forget to subscribe. I will discuss. I just create this channel in English language. I used to do in the Farsi language, but I started with the English language so everyone can understand and everyone can communicate with that. So please feel free, subscribe, put the bell button, and put the like to other people can notice that. Just that. Goodbye.